Welcome back, everybody. We're doing a quick uh, review. We did a commissioning run today. Not everything's in place yet, but for the most part, everything's up and running. So we've got our 12 kilowatt system running. We have one string coming down. Right now, the sun is setting, so it's feeding about 340 volts. Earlier in the day, it was clocking in at 420. And so just to give an overview, everything on the left is alternating current. Everything on the right is direct current related. And you have some stuff in the middle. So all the power right now is being generated from the solar system. What very little sunlight there is, even that loud ass fan you hear in the background. And that's plugged into this outlet right here. This outlet is powering this Raspberry Pi unit, which gives our solar assistant reporting capabilities. And on the right hand side, of course, these are batteries. I don't have to explain that. This is a shunt charge Coulomb reader, and it's powered by the batteries, and it just shows right here what's coming in and what's going out. So I think it looks like we're still charging. I think we're charging, yeah. Now this over here, this is a rapid shutdown unit. And what that does is it puts a signal, a tone on the line. So that way, all the panels will work like they're supposed to. But normally, if you don't have that, the panels will work as is. But what this does is, if we take that signal away, it'll shut down all the panels at the module level. So every panel will become independent again. And that way, if you need to work on it, you don't have to deal with high voltage. That's about it. So everything worked out as planned, but they're not. All the lines aren't kind of hidden in conduits yet. So that's going to be the next step. All right, more to come.